Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. Today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorials for you. This is hosted through our Facebook group, and this week's theme was quite open and we could use any stamping plate in our collection. So I decided to use one of my newer Moyra stamping plate. I haven't used yet, and I think it has very fun and interesting designs on it. If you do like this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course if you are new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate that a lot. All the links to the other videos will be in the description box, so please go and show some love to everybody who joined into this week's collab, and I will have all the pictures for you at the end of my video. That's where you see what everybody created. So thank you so much, Patty, for hosting this theme. I am really excited, and I do hope that you all will like my final manicure. So keep watching. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.